Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen, and today I have an unboxing. I am a part of, or I'm recently a part of Lisa, who is Lisa Happycraftershop, and I believe she used to be on Instagram. She used to do her items on Instagram. Now I just got my design team package, and let me cut into it. It's very cute. It comes in a little pink envelope. How cute is this? So I'm doing the unboxing for her. This is the first time I am on her design team. Thank you so much, Lisa, for considering me and sharing your goodies with me. So here you go, as guest design team. I do have a code, a discount code, if you're interested. Check out her Etsy shop and use code Eileen10, and that's ILENE 10, the number 10. So here we go. This is my first time and I'm super excited. I love her packaging. How cute. And then here we are. Oh, so adorable. Oh, there it is. Look at you, Lisa. Oh my goodness. That is so cute. Exactly, guys. And that's how you spell it. ILENE, the number 10. Very cute. Look, this is her little thank you. And here is her social media. There you go, girls. If you're interested, her Instagram for her shop, Happycraftershop. And then her personal Instagram, happycrafter_Lisa. She also has the YouTube channel. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Check her out. And, oh, I'm mistaken. So it's not Etsy. It's a website. So she has a website. So www.happycraftershop.com. So cute. Love it. Oh my goodness. You are so cute, Lisa. Thank you so, so much. Eileen 10, guys. I'm so excited. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, look at this. And she labeled what they are. It's called polka dot bow cabochons. You get 10 pieces in this one. How cute. Oh my gosh. Like, I have to pull this out because I want to feel. Sometimes you just want to feel the item in your, oh my gosh. So it's like the frosted cabochons, this cute little polka dots. Oh my gosh, guys, please go check her out. Oh my goodness. I will definitely have all her links in the description box below. This one is called the Flower Bouquet Flat Cabochons. You get 7 pieces. Lisa, these are so cute. Oh, ooh, this is different. You guys, it's cabochons. Okay, I'm trying to explain the texture of it. It's almost like a rubber finish on the top, and then you have the acrylic backing, but you could feel the ridges on here, and it's like a soft rubber finish on top. So you get, how many did I say? 7? Yep, you get 7 pieces of the cabochons. Oh my gosh. Yes, girl. Ooh, so perfect for spring. Mother's Day is coming. Oh my gosh. All the days. So you get these little daisy flower cabochons. You get 20. Oh my goodness. Wow, wow, wow. Oh, pretty, pretty, pretty. Very dimensional. Look at all the detail on those flowers. You guys, so, so pretty. Lisa, girl, thank you. Whoops, whoop. Oh, don't lose the cabochons. Run away. Oh my gosh. It's funny because when I drop things, I see where they go, and you can see it happening. That is beautiful. Thank you so, so much. And here's the other piece. It's like, I know I dropped more. But yes, 20 pieces. How generous. That is a great number to have. Flat daisy flower cabochons. Now we have back in stock the striped heart beads. Ooh, and you get 50 pieces. Oh my gosh, what is going on with my hands? 50 pieces, guys. Wow. Beautiful colors. There's reds, there's yellows, greens, like a light purple, lavender color. Very pretty. Look at that, the purple one. Oh my goodness, Lisa, thank you. Oh girl, I don't know how you put these in here. Very carefully, Eileen. There's yellow, blue, green. Very, very pretty. 50 pieces in that little thing. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me stick with the colorful ones. You have some striped beads here. They're 8 millimeters. You get 40 pieces. Very pretty purple, pink, orange. I love that there's orange, yellow, green. There's a light pink. Oh my gosh, a baby blue. Very generous. I love, love, love this. 40 pieces, you guys. You can't go wrong. You also get these faceted beads. They're kind of a flat. So this is called a rondelle spacer bead, 8 millimeter, and you get 100 pieces. And look at all the fun colors. So perfect for spring, Lisa. Oh my gosh. Beautiful. Beautiful. And you get 100. That's a lot. So here's another one. You get an AB disco beads, 8 millimeters, 75 pieces. Wow. These are plastic, but they're so pretty. Look at how they're catching the light. Oh, so sparkly. Woo! 75 pieces. That is adorable. You guys, I can't express how happy I am right now. I'm trying to contain myself. It's like Christmas. I want to feel these ones, the ice cream. Oh, it feels just like the flowers. They feel like a rubbery finish. How pretty is this? Look at the little bow on there. And it is acrylic. So you get this beauty right here. And oh my gosh, if you have those clear bales in your stash, those are the perfect things to use on this. Or if you have those little handheld drills, that would be nice to just get a hole through there. Oh my gosh, you get 7 pieces of the ice cream cone flat cabochons with the rubber finish. I love that feel. Oh, look at the flowers. Watering can. Sorry, not flower. Watering can cabochons, 8 pieces. And these look like they're rubber finish too. How cute. These are flat backs. Lisa, great job. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. Look at these watering cans, the little flowers. And yes, guys, it is a rubbery, hard rubber type feel. I don't know. Is it called resin? But it's so pretty. I love that. Look at the details on that. That would have been so cute on the spring fling swap. Oh, that would have been so super cute. Oh my goodness. So there you have it. You get 8 of those in the pack. Watering can cabochons, 8 pieces. And then we got these pastel resin flower cabochons. You get 10 pieces. And there's yellow, green, purple, pink, blue. So pretty. Let me just get one of each. I mean, you can see right through the plastics, but let's just get the... So you get 2 of each color, guys, because there's 10 pieces and there's 5 colors. And you get 2 of each color. How pretty is that? It just reminds me of the cherry blossoms, you know, doesn't it? Look at all that detail. Oh my gosh, Lisa, great job. This is a beautiful spring Mother's Day collection here. You get 10 of those. Very, very pretty. And then you get back in stock the bright pastel bow beads. You get 40 of them. And you've got yellows, pinks, blues, purples, green. Very cute. And I don't know. So that's yellow. So this must be like an ivory. So you get a light pink and a bright pink. That's very pretty. How cute. Oh my gosh. Can you just imagine? So this There's going to be so much dangly bits. And last but not least, she brought this back in stock. It's called the Small Lobster Clasp. You get 10 pieces. There's purples, pink, yellows, and white. Very cute. And you get the heart-shaped detail there. And of course, you got the bail on the bottom, or the, I don't know, the circle, the hanging bits. So you get 10 of those. Pretty colors, Lisa. Very nice, you guys. Please go check out Lisa's shop. All the details will be listed in the description box down below. And here she is again. If you've probably seen her around on Instagram and YouTube, there are her social media links right there. And then her shop, of course, happycraftershop.com. So check her out. Message her on Instagram and see if these are available. Oh my gosh, I'm pretty sure there's more in her shop right now. But you know, like I said, I'm a guest designer. Check her out. Use my code Eileen10. And I loved the way she did that. It just, as soon as I opened it up, that was right on top. How perfect can that get, you know? So thank you so much again, Lisa, for having me. And I hope I can make some beautiful projects. Well, I'll do my very best. So this one doesn't want to go back in, but we're going to keep it out. And then here you go. Just another glance again at this beautiful kit. I'm going to take some pictures and hopefully post it on my Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, guys, my Instagram is the same as my YouTube, Eileen Payne, at Eileen Payne, all one together. You'll type it in. You'll see it's the same photo for Instagram and YouTube. That way people won't get lost in the social media. I use the same photos for everything, well, for my links. So please go check out Lisa's shop. Here it is right here. And thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.